Huge. Are you recording? Oh my gosh. I'm recording again. Oh, it's a 28 incher. Biggest brown ever, guys. Biggest brown ever.
Oh my god.
It's huge. This is high 20s, high 20s. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's a giant. Do not pop. I will literally, we're quitting fishing at this house. Oh, biggest brown of his life right here. Oh, he doesn't want to come in.
Stay down.
Stay down. Oh, don't get in that stuff. Oh, shoot.
Eight weight.
Oh my gosh, it's huge, dude. I've never seen a brown this big in my life.
Wait. Ready?
I'm ready.
Wait.
Oh, Gino, Papa. It's rolling. Got him. Oh, it's a giant. It's 30. This is 30. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
This is I've ever seen. Come on, girl. Oh my gosh, it's huge.
It's huge, dude. 31-inch brown trout. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Thanks. Dude, get this thing out of here. Look at that stick. Oh my god. Hey, get out of here. Get out.